Hello, good morning. Oops, see if you can focus. Today we're going to adjust the cupboard hinge door. As you can see, it's gone out of alignment with wear opening, whatever it is. So this is quite an easy one, I think, to fit and sort out. I'm not going to show you how to actually adjust it to get it parallel, as I did that when I originally fitted it, and it's quite an exercise of a couple of screws going in and out and forward and backwards. But anyway, let's open the door and I'll show you the hinge. And you can see what's inside it while I adjust my position to get down. Okay, so you can see what's in the cupboard. There's a shelf there, and then you've got your breakfast toast. And then what we want to do is move that out so you don't have to get it. And I think that's the way to do it. Okay. And I think it's that screw in there. You get a flathead, if I can get a flathead screwdriver. Come on, I can't. Do you know, I should have put me it's more, I think it's more these actually that I've adjusted. Tighten that one up. So they've come undone. He says it's not, that one's not working. It's a case of getting the right screwdriver, but without making a right pig's ear of this. There's an instructional video. Find the slot. I should have worn my glasses. Where's the blade? Let's try to do it one-handed, you know, that's what it is. And then try that one as well, if I can get there. And then, okay, go on. What's kept in the cupboard just as a taster. I mean, honestly, I thought malt loaf, oh, that's gorgeous with butter. And then you've got the crumpets as well. Do with egg and a bit of bacon. And then everything crackers and paxo stuffing and curry sauce and the finest, what's that? I don't know. And the biscuit teas and everything else. Anyway, it'll probably not work, but you might get the point. No, it doesn't. I'll have to come back with the right screwdriver to get it aligned. But that's what you do. And that's how you adjust it. You find the hinge that's a little bit loose, and this on this cupboard door, it is the top one. Anyway, I'm going to make myself a coffee now, and I'll catch you later. Bye.